So Giovanni's Passion, that's our project. I'll tell you a little bit about myself first. I'm a 4th/5th-year business student. I've been around for a while. I'm concentrating in MIS and HR. And I chose to do this project with Wildwood because I really didn't know what social entrepreneurship was. Back last year, since so long ago, they're actually looking in a social entrepreneurship class, but now they're offering that every semester at SFU. So there's a lot more awareness about it now, but before there was nothing. So I knew nothing about it, and it seemed really interesting to me. And so I joined Project Give and got teamed up with Lucia and one other girl who is kind of a part of the team, but not really anymore. She graduated, so she has to do her career stuff. Whereas Lucy and I are still in school, so we're like, we can still work on this project. And our mentor was Loretta Cella. I'm not sure if she's still a mentor this semester too? Yeah. So maybe one of you lucky girls will get her as well. She was our mentor, and she was the one that actually brought up the idea of Giovanni's Passion. She started a nonprofit organization called the Passion Foundation in 2000-something? I can't remember the year. A while back. And that foundation was created in order to empower girls, in order to give them self-development, life skills, build their self-esteem. And from that, she got this idea of Giovanni's Passion. Giovanni is actually her grandfather's name. She has an Italian background. And she wanted to give the girls from the Passion Foundation, and just women in general in BC and in Vancouver specifically, from the ages about from 16 to 24, the opportunity to get valuable work employment. So that's where the Giovanni's Passion idea stemmed from. It's actually, the name has changed now. It's not Giovanni's Passion anymore. It's just going to be called Giovanni's. We did some market research and we came up with Giovanni's instead of Giovanni's Passion. It's going to be a pizzeria in the commercial area.
I was just going to say, it sounds like a pizzeria.
Yeah. Yeah, it's going to be a pizzeria / a little bit of a pastry bar as well. So they're going to offer traditional Italian pastries as well as like New York and European style inspired ones. And that's the business aspect of it, and the social aspect is more of employing young women in Vancouver that have little or no work experience and giving them the opportunity to gain valuable work experience. So they're going to learn the front and back of the kitchen. They're going to be trained on life skills, leadership roles, scheduling, so many other things, right? Yeah. So basically we want to build like a well-rounded employee. So once they leave Giovanni's Passion, they can go out there and get a different job, a better job, hopefully. The first group of girls that are going to go and work at Giovanni's are going to be from the Passion Foundation. So there's about 7 to 10 girls that are going to work. We're going to give them part-time positions because most of them are in school, or they're single mothers. So they're going to be doing part-time, maybe 2 to 3 hours a day, every day, in order to kind of help them pay the bills and all that kind of stuff. So we're really going to work around their schedule and build our schedule around that. Because our focus is on them, building them as an individual and an employee. Loretta is a coach, a life coach, and she has like a whole group of other women that are also life coaches. So we're going to have those available for the girls to help them with any type of issues they may be having at home or in the workplace. What else? Let me just look at this. So basically, Giovanni's, we want it to be a very community-oriented place. So we have this thing called the 100-mile diet, where everything that's used there is going to be coming from a 100-mile radius. So the ingredients that we use in the pizza are going to be raw, fresh ingredients from local grown people. And the flour is going to be locally grown. Some of the herbs and stuff we're going to grow like at the shop. So we really value community and inclusiveness and diversity, and we really want to instill those values in the people that we employ at Giovanni's.